Hey, this is Jordan.
Hey, this is Dee.
Hey, this is Gaden. Hey, this is Ava.
This is Phineas. And this is our GWM Cannon, towing our 3-ton caravan around Australia. Welcome. We're on our way to Anglesea to get away from the bush because we're all done with the bush and the mosquitoes and all the crap in the bushy land. Now it's been super sunny for a few days, and yeah, now we're on our way to the beach again so I can go swimming. It's raining, yay! All right, well, we'll see you in Anglesea. 1, 2, 3 there. You got to see how nice this caravan park looks when you drive in. The beautiful hedges, all beautiful, brand new. There's a beautiful pool just over here. There's everything you've ever dreamed of. Right, it's got the pool, it's got a bloody huge playground, it's got playgrounds, it's got all the gear if you want to get on the gear.
Somehow mini golf somewhere.
Mini golf, garbage bins, beautiful sights. Look at those sights. And then look at all these guys with their nice beautiful sights, right? And now, because we have a dog, look at our sight. What the fluff? What the fluff?
That one's yours, isn't it?
Into the dense forest. It's night time here, babe. That's our caravan in there.
Where are we supposed to park the car?
Just back where, I don't know, on the other side. That's our caravan in the dense forest here. Huh? Ah, that's pretty good, yeah. They do unfortunately put us in, I don't know, the slum. We're in the ogre swamp. Next we've got Shrek and everything. Right. Tightest spot to get into you've ever seen. But I did it because I'm not pro like that. Look at Danica. Oh, she's look. Oh, I just spotted her with the vodka. Maybe. Spillage. Oh, she's like, I love it. That's good. Caden's taking us down to the games room. What are we going to do down there?
We're going to keep on going. We're going to play games and you're set.
Oh my god. I booked the campsite. They said, would you like to stay in the nice sunny sites or down in the mozzie slum dog?
Oh, in my eye.
And what did we request, Anika? Babe, what did you request?
I requested a puppy on my lap, so here we are.
Caden found us the games room.
We did it?
Well, they found us a room with a random TV in it that they're listening to. That's Pop Asia, what they're listening to. Okay. I'll see you guys. Bye. Danika's going to take us to a better place. Rabbit, Caden, look. Way to go, guys. Getting up there doing all this crazy stuff. Any bugs around, babe?
None at all.
That's nice. Torquay White's Beach. We're gonna go and have a look.
You guys get a head start. Oh.
Quick. That's so mean. Anyway, sometimes you just need a little bit. What a beautiful day. Danny, what a beautiful day. These crazy kids in the freezing cold swimming pool again. I was keen, but it's too cold. Come on now. May as well enjoy ourselves. Potato pajamas. Oh well, there is a very nice walkway just at the back of our campsite, so it's not all bad. That's pretty good. Oh, awesome. Awesome, we are at the beach. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god. We're at the beach again. Back at the beach, baby. Back at the beach. Kaden, run down off that wall straight into the water. Whoa, good job! Do that, do a little run surf. You surf across the water. I don't want to do a fuel bed before it's snap.
Show us.
Or snap.
That's fine.
What?
You're just finding excuses, I think.
So you run in into your surf. Yeah, it's like professional. You try, Kate. Kate, it's real funny. Run down and let's go on your knees. Oh yeah.
I missed it. You have to do it again.
I can't do it again.
Yeah, you can.
I'm doing myself a mischief.
Oh god. But I missed it. It's not even
shit.
worth it.
Huh? It's not recording now, is it? Did you miss it?
It is recording.
I fucking hurt myself. Don't put the camera at me. Nah, in all seriousness, I didn't think I was ever going to get to the age where you hurt yourself when you do anything.
So you think you're going to die at... How old are you? 40?
I'm not 4, I'm 34. I'm 34 years old. I just saw a knee.
Okay.
No, that can't put this. Feels better now.
Does it? So do it again. But do it better this time.
No, can't.
Yeah, you can. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, I don't want to get wet.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. I just landed right on my shoulder. God, I can't stop hurting myself. This trip's bullshit.
How are you feeling?
Pretty alright now.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had to fall in. Actually, did you get that on there?
Yeah.
Did you? Well, you just see me fall in, so now I'm just hanging out in the water. It's too cold to be out of the water.
It's clear though.
Crystal clear. Look at that, you can see my beautiful whole body under here.
Right.
Now I'm gonna go for a swim.
And then there's these guys. I'm not sure what they're up to, but one's in pajamas.
Talking to sand.
I'm talking to sand. I'm talking to the people. Exfoliation at the day spa.
I'm human sand.
Okay.
That's my name.
Dinner is happening, and we're having some of this silver side that I've been cooking for 12 hours. We've got some roast veggies in there, and we've been cooking those for 15 hours. And then I've got the thermi here, which we're about to make a sick cheese sauce. Gonna be pimp. Ready here? It's gonna be on the plate. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom, smack. Right, so that was that fucking too easy. Watch, check this out. Look at that. Look at that.
Keep these with you.
Off on everything. There's no mucking around here. Whoa. Danny, where do you want this stuff?
What you just said.
Yeah.
Buy some random things.
Oh, and everything, yeah?
Are you just so proud of yourself?
Fuck, that is perfect.
You've done well.
Wow. Hey guys, we're actually travelling on the Great Northern Road.
Nice. Wow.
Hey guys, we're just travelling on the Great Ocean Road, which we're a little bit premature for, but we're doing that because we're hanging around Melbourne. And we're heading to Aireys Inlet, to go and check out this lighthouse that people told us that is good. And you can hear in the background, Finny, why are you crying? How's the Aireys Inlet?
Beautiful.
It is.
So moody today, I love it.
The Aireys Inlet volcano. Alright.
Wow.
Cool, cool. This is crazy. Somebody lives here. Please.
How do they eat drive?
How do they eat and drive? Well, they go to Macca's. Now, somebody's house is just there. Imagine us living with that kind of a view all the time.
That's so awful for them.
And I feel bad for them as well.
Yeah, we should help them and take over.
Maybe they need to sell their house cheap. Mate, did you guys just see that drone footage? What? What a cameraman.
Hey, look, can you please stop running?
We're almost down at the beach. We're almost down at the beach, and we're not going to get all sandy and wet, are we?
Yes.
Yeah, right.
I'm going to go into the water spot.
How good is it, son? Wow. Oh, wow. Is the sand really soft in places, is it? Nice. It's quicksand, Kaden.
Yeah.
How's this for a rig? Wow, it's bigger than me. A little bit. Mint. So we just got to meet Dan and Holly from FYD Adventures and see their cool fire truck motorhome. Oh. They're kind of crazy. They've got the really big kite they like to fly.
It'd be cool in the water. Come on.
I know. Dan's just learning how to what is it?
Fly it.
He's learning how to fly.
Kite surf.
Kite surfing?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it kite surfing?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Come on, the camera's on you. Is it kite surfing?
I'm pretty sure it's kite surf.
Alright, Dan's learning how to kite surf. And Holly's learning how to flip. This is going to be fine. You guys are right. This is awesome. The good thing is nobody's watching. Alright, now you have to be ready now. Oh, here we go. This is going to be intense. Everybody watching. We've all been holding our breaths for this moment. It's too late for that. Yes, go, go. Oh my God, you're doing it. Oh, let's see him jump. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, you did it. Holy. Look at this. Oh, that's magic. Just when we gave up. We've been standing out here for almost 3 hours. 3 hours it took him to get it up there. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh my God, old mate's got his caravan parked over there going, oh shoot, is this a good spot for me to park?
Oh.
Oh man, if you read the terms and conditions for this caravan park, I'm pretty sure you know how to do that.
Hitting a van.
Hitting a small child in the park right next to where we
I
are.
went to kangaroo, you went to child.
Hit a kangaroo. Oh, imagine if it hits it. Oh my God. Okay, this is staying on. Oh my god. Girls, you're gonna get taken out, I reckon. Yeah, he's doing alright. So that's Dan and Holly. Now if you do see Dan and Holly around any of the campsites in their big red adventure truck and their fire truck, they give you free beers. Alright? So anytime you see him, just say, hey Dan, where's my free beer? And he'll give you one, alright? No worries. See how close you can get it to my face? Nice! Yeah! It was not what I thought we'd be doing this afternoon. Well, that was a nice afternoon, babe.
It was lovely.
They
Talk to other people.
yeah, it's been raining so much we weren't able to talk to people,
Just each other.
which is beautiful as well. What the hell is this? Huh? See, it's beautiful. Look at the kids. This is the good thing about a caravan park when it's not raining. The kids can have a ride. Yay.
8 weeks just sitting in the ute.
Okay, see you later at Anglesea. That's was one of the wettest pack ups. It's been pissing down rain all night. But yeah, that's good fun. Now we got to it'll be fine, but it's a tight fit around here by the way they do the sites. Anyway, see ya.